Humans in the Biosphere. This is one of the pages. You can always pause the video. And then we have Earth Day. I thought that was pretty cool. Good. Now I'm gonna go to what I had for notes and stuff. This is not it. Sorry, guys. Number 1. Good. And double checking for you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. We might have some background noise due to a dryer machine in the background. Anyways, this is Chapter 6, Humans in the Biosphere, of our collection of the biology. Since I've been doing tests, I want to make the videos more concise in a way. I'm going to tell you how I feel how this chapter explained to me, and then I'll read some of the test answers to you guys. Humans in the Biosphere. When I heard about it, in a few pages, there were agriculture, there were reproducing, there's the Green Revolution, and of course, there's urban development and industrial growth. The industrial community, kind of like when you see those really big towers, they produce a lot of waste. It could be oil to pollute water, could be a lot of littering and garbage from tools, and they could use gas to pollute the air. I remember going to Taiwan when I was a little girl, and the air smelled basically not fresh. Like when you go to a beach, you can smell fresh seawater. And I feel like the more that the humans kind of come into this world, unless we don't have many people like, I don't know, but people that help try to change the world, people that become not vegan, but try to save animals too, because they're also living beings just like you and me. We also have renewable resources. It's when you can regenerate if they are alive, or can be replenished by biochemicals if they are non-living. And then in one of the test questions, fossils, as in dinosaur fossils or animal fossils, cannot be renewed. And then we have a lot of people that are cutting down trees from the Amazon. In Rio 2 and Rio 1, that's a good example. I really like that movie because it's very heartfelt and it's beautiful. I'm not gonna go into details, but it's basically what the movie is about. But people are capturing either endangered species of types of birds and animals, or just they're capturing animals in general, and that is not okay. Rio 2 was when they were cutting down all the trees so there would be no birds left, therefore they would kind of die. And that isn't nice, because if everyone wants to just have humans left in the world, what are you going to have to eat? Animals help fertilize soil. Animals help give you their own life so you can eat deliciously. There's so many things that we think wrong of when the animals are more sincere and nice to us in a way. And then endangered species, we went like before the gray wolf, and then we have wolves now going in, wolves and coyotes going more into cities for food. We have mountain lions near our city in San Francisco because they are hungry and they need food. I'm now going to explain to you a few of my test answers. I'm going to straight go to 26 because they asked to design an experiment. I'll read you the question. Designing experiments. Can covering soil with mulch or compost near the bases of plants help to reduce soil erosion? Design an experiment to answer the question. I'm going to read you my whole entire answer. Yes, covering soil with mulch or compost near the bases of plants help to reduce soil erosion. When applying mulch, space should be left around the plant crown, else plants will rot out and die. Mulching trees and shrubs is a good method to keep plants healthy. Mulch is used because of these following advantages. Mulching reduces water runoff and soil erosion. Mulching helps improve soil structure and drainage. Mulch suppresses weeds. Mulch helps provide nutrients to soil and to plants. Mulch supports and encourages numerous beneficial organisms such as earthworms that make soil healthy. They help break it down into good soil that helps your plants grow. Experiment. Aim of the experiment. To reduce soil erosion by covering soil with mulch or compost near base of plant. Materials required. Even though I couldn't do it, it seemed like a good idea. I used a little help from the internet because not that I needed ideas, I needed to help, not spell, but I needed help. And actually, I didn't really use the internet as much. I used some of these experiments because they don't go into it, but they tell you what you need. And those are like kind of the basics of what you need for an experiment, especially if you're doing Bible experiments. We have zone target, one with mulch plant and other without mulch. 2, dropper bottles. 3, water. 4, ruler and graph if needed. Procedure. 1, class or group divided into groups, and each group is given 2 target zones, one with mulch plant and other without mulch. 2, dropper bottles are filled with water. 3, 5 drops of water are dropped in each zone near the base of the plant. 4, the number of water splashes is recorded in each zone. Okay. Sorry, guys. And when you go into the multi-choice, for me that's a little easier because when you see the thing that they're asking and the choices, you can search in your book which one's right and wrong if you don't know at the top of your head. I find that the biggest issue nowadays is trash, littering, pollution of air, eating too much meat, like animals. and you're cutting down too many trees for your needs, you know? I feel like naturally we are kind beings, but we can change, to me. But you know what's better internally. I know you guys do. So if you can change the way you do things, simply turn off the water while you're brushing your teeth. That's something that we learned a really long time ago. Instead of using plastic bottles, we use reusable bottles, as in like a water bottle from Thermos and stuff like that. Getting your lunch packed instead of Ziploc bags a lot. Try to use containers. They are kind of expensive, so it is hard. And instead of just using a lot of napkins and trash, try packing some kind of towel, or even just using your sleeves and hoodies, because that's what me and my dad do. I hope these ideas really put your mind in kind of a state where you think more earthly. I've kind of been wanting to do that. I've tried to reduce my waste, and we've tried to compost, and we are composting, and we've been composting. Thank you guys for watching this video. I also forgot to say Happy Earth Day. Humans in the Biosphere. This is one of the pages. You can always pause the video. And then we have Earth Day. I thought that was pretty cool. Good. Now I'm gonna go to what I had for notes and stuff. This is not it. Sorry guys. Number 1. Good. And double checking for you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.